Hey, my name is Ian Schellinger-Broca and I'm with Denver Parks and Recreation out here along the Quebec medians, just south of I-70, in between Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard and Smith Road. We're doing a turf conversion project here that's in partnership with Denver Water and the Colorado Water Conservation Board. The project is taking place on 4 medians totaling just about 10 acres. We're doing this to convert high water Kentucky bluegrass landscapes to primarily a native prairie landscape that's going to be using a lot less water and look a lot more beautiful. So just to give you a little bit of background on the site, it has been turf grass for decades, going all the way back to when this used to be the old airport here in the city. Right now, these 10 acres are using approximately 9 million gallons of irrigation water per year to keep the grass green. This site was chosen because it's considered non-functional. It's very low use, so it's not being utilized for any recreation activities, which means it's a great candidate for these landscape conversions. So what's happening here in September of 2023 is actually getting all the seed in the ground. Another component of what's going on this fall is the application of hydromulch. And that hydromulch is tiny wood fibers mixed with water and a tackifier to make sure it sticks to the surface of the soil. And that's going to help provide insulation and protection to the seeds that we're putting down. So you might be curious as to what this field is going to look like when the project is completed. So I'd encourage you to look at other park spaces like Westerly Creek Park. It's going to contain a mix of wildflowers and grasses that are going to be adding big diversity of color, texture, and height to the landscape.
My name's Kenton Seth, and I designed the seed mix for this Quebec median project, which includes over 60 species of grasses and flowers. First year things will be short and small and little, but there'll be some color the first year, but as it matures it'll get denser and be quite colorful with the number of species we used. So different years and different weather will give us different flowers, and different conditions can mean different colors, but there'll be something no matter what happens.
Hi, my name is Austin Kirchmerich. I'm a water efficiency planner with Denver Water. So we're really excited to see this conversion project from Kentucky bluegrass, which has been the default for a long time across the western US, to a much more resilient Colorado scape, which is kind of a climate appropriate landscape for Colorado. This will be a huge water savings in the end, and it will do a lot better in a hotter, drier future, especially under increased drought conditions.
So there are a lot of benefits to landscape transformation projects like this. First and foremost are the water savings. We're projecting just about 8.5 million gallons of water saved per year after establishment. Additionally, we're getting benefits in increased biodiversity and also saving money that we'll be able to use for other projects like parks and playgrounds instead of having to spend that on water at this location.
So these landscape transformation projects are so important because Denver Water gets about half of our water from the Colorado River Basin. And we're really looking for more of these projects across the city and county of Denver, our entire service area, and even the entire western US.
This project is a great example of Denver Parks and Recreation implementing many of the goals outlined in the game plan for a healthy city, especially in the every drop, every dollar, and uniquely Denver categories. If you're interested in learning more about the sustainability projects taking place here in Denver Parks and Recreation, I encourage you to check out the It's in Denver's Nature campaign. You can also visit denverwater.org/conservation for more information about their water saving programs.